Ain't this what they been waiting for? You ready?
Alright guys, I just finished the bike check, but I forgot to thank you guys because you guys killed that like button yesterday and we hit that 1K like. So tomorrow I'm killing the bike. Today my bike check going down, y'all about to see that in a second. But tomorrow I'm going in on the bike. I'm about to go jump off roofs and stuff, alright? So let's get it. Thank you guys for 1K. Let's see if you can do it again. 1K again, and we got giveaways coming and everything. Let's do it. 1K again, gang. Alright. Hi, my name is Markell Jones. Welcome to my bike check. First off, I want to say shout out to my sponsor, Stranger, for hooking me up with this, you know, keeping my bike fresh. Without them, it's not possible. Shout out to Peep Game for keeping my clothing fresh, better than everybody else's. Alright, so first off, I want to start with my bars. I have the Stranger 9.2 bars. Usually I ride 9s, but this time I opted for a little bit bigger, and I actually like the size change. It's actually a pretty good size change. And for my grips, I am running the Primo logo grips with the new Stranger bar ends. My stem is the new Stranger V2 crux stem with the Stranger etched in the side. My forks are the Stranger ballast forks. My pegs, I run all 4 Nate Zia pegs, beautiful 4.75. If you don't have them, get them. My tires, I have the new tan Stevie tires. If you do not have those, get them. Stevie tires are great, I love them. My rims, N4FL, laced to Primo versus rim, beautiful, love the rims. My cranks, I am running the Stevie Churchill cranks in 175 24 millimeters. My first time running them actually, and I love them. They're really good cranks, like really good. My pedals, I'm running the Primo tenderizers. My back wheel is a Primo free mix, laced to the same rim as that, the Primo Versus. Beautiful. I've been running the free mix for as long as I can remember, and it's wonderful. It's really reliable and it's great. My seat is the Stranger camo, Stranger Tiger camo actually. It's black and gray. I love it. It's beautiful. I have a Primo seat post and silver half link Primo chain. Some people like to run full links, but personally, I like the half link. It just feels a little better. My sprocket, I have the Stranger Guardian 28 tooth sprocket. 28 tooth just get pedaling a lot faster, a lot better. It's much better. And then last but not least, my frame. I'm running the Stranger Quan frame in 20.8 black. First time ever running a frame in 20.8. I usually run 21, but I've kind of opted for a change. And in all honesty, this change is great and it's better than all my last builds. Like, I love this bike, and I've only been riding it a day, not even a full day. So thank you guys. There'll be some riding clips after this, but thank you guys for watching my bike check. Leave your comments down below. It feel good. Yeah, it feel good.
Niggas might have to size down and shit. Do they still have the
have to go that way anyways, catch the 405. I just take the 405.
How long did it take you today, yo?
An hour and 25 minutes.
What'd you have to do?
For work? Put some baseboards in. Put in some of the pieces of the shower. We put the caulk in.
I'm done.
All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching my my bike check. I hope you guys enjoyed it with a few clips at the end, me testing out the various parts of it, and then riding the bull. Hope you guys really enjoyed it. And I just want to thank you guys again for hitting 1K likes. It's the first like goal that we actually reached. No, okay, it's the second one we actually reached, and I'm proud of you guys. So thank you very much for watching. Just remember, like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's do it again. I want to see it happen again. It's going to be a blessing if you guys can do it again. And please, let's do it. Thank you. Peace. Oh. What is this called? What's this? What is this? Y'all gonna see an image of it. What is it called? This is a Primo seat post. There you go. Seat post. I knew that.